me see.
Damn, he wanted that fish though, I know that. Oh, don't swim into that dog one, please don't. I can't horse him in. May have to drop that net over. I don't know if he's that big, but he's big enough that I can't horse him in. I think it's the same thing we had before. Again. Another big ray. Yep, it's a ray. See him? That's a stingray. Shit. No, I don't think you want this one.
Is it big?
He's an ugly motherfucker. Man, that's an actual stingray. That's a sea ray. I don't know what the hell that is. Shit, he don't want to go in there. My line's
Man, you want that shit cut off out of your mouth? Get him from that.
Here, drop it. Drop it. Yeah, I'll bring him back. Okay, drop it. Yeah. When I get underneath and you pull up. You got him?
No, he got out. One more time.
Okay, all right. Hold on. Let me get him back here where I can move him. All right, I'm bringing him in.
Come on.
All right, we got him. Be careful. Be very careful. Okay, here, hold up. All right, be very careful. Get my damn fucking egg. Golly, had the wrong one. Hold on.
Take it.
Where's it at? Where the hooky man? Oh, in his fucking mouth.
Is it in his belly?
This is a real sting right here.
Be careful.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna tie another leader on because this motherfucker is like, we're gonna let him have that.
Okay.
We're just gonna load him back down in there.
Okay. Smile, baby. Smile, baby.
That's
I'm still on the spray. I'm still on the sticky. Whatever. Stand up first. I
Yeah,
want to go with you.
Yeah, okay, cool. Let me get this real quick.
Okay.
I'm stuck in here with this damn weight all up in my shit. You know what? I'm about ready to cut this too. Look at this shit, man. That's the problem with having this shit when you can't see what the hell you're doing because you don't have glasses on. You know what I'm gonna do?
Ready?
Hold on. Damn it, where's my knife at?
Where, right here? There you go.
All right, thank you. We're gonna let his ass go. Ready?
I gotta move this leg first.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Here, hold on. Let me get that out of there. There he goes.